Hello friends, today's topic is research projects versus research program. Firstly, research project. A research project refers to a specific singular endeavor to deliver a tangible output. A research project has a defined start and end point and specific objectives. When they are attained, it is completed significantly. Means under research project is very important. It has a start and end point. It has specific objectives, and if our objectives are attained, such research project is significantly completed. A research project manager is therefore responsible for ensuring the research project delivers on its intended output in line with a defined time frame and budget. Means specific time frame is there, specific budget is there, and we are going to complete such research projects. Now, what is a research program or research program? A research program refers to multiple research projects which are managed and delivered as a single package. Means under research program there are so many research projects or multiple research projects are there under single package. A research program is defined as a group of related projects managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits not available from managing the projects individually. Means here individual project is not important. The group of related projects means multiple research projects are there in one and same research program. A research program may also include elements of ongoing operational work. So, a program is comprised of multiple projects and is created to obtain broad organizational and technical objectives. Means here objectives are broad as compared to research project. Research project is nothing but single unit, whereas research program is the group of such research projects or multiple research projects. Research program manager is therefore tasked with overseeing all the research projects comprising the program to ensure it achieves its outcome. Means under research program a research program manager overlooking or overseeing all research projects. Now, difference between research projects and research program means research projects versus research programs. There are many differences between a research project and a research program, including scope, benefits realization, time, and other variables. One notable difference is time. For example, a project by definition has a beginning and end point. Certain programs, while having a beginning, may not have an end. Means in case of research projects there is starting and end point, but in case of research programs sometimes may beginning but not have any end. That is a continuous thing is there. Now, difference between research projects and research program can be discussed with the points. How research projects and research programs differ. Number one, in case of structure, the components of a project are specific and exact. In case of research project, whatever components are there, they are specific and exact. The scope and goals of a project are well defined, while programs are typically less clear cut. Means whatever the scope and objective of the project are there, they are well defined in a prescribed manner, but or whereas the scope and goals of the programs or research programs are typically less clear cut, not well defined as compared to projects. Because A program covers multiple projects. A program team tends to be larger as it also incorporates the project managers and their project team members. Means here program covers multiple projects due to a program team tends to be larger as it also incorporates or oversees the project managers and their project team members also. It is wider as compared to project. Now second point, effort. A project represents a single focused endeavor. As already told me, research project is a single endeavor or specific or well defined one. A program is a collection of projects. Together all the projects form a connected package of work. Means research program is a group of research projects. Multiple research projects are there. The different projects complement each other to assist the program in achieving its overall objectives. It's likely the different projects within a program will overlap. The program manager will therefore assess these overlaps and work with the relevant project managers to ensure the program's smooth progression. Means under research program, multiple research projects are there. Some research projects may be complement to each another, and some research projects may be overlap to each another, and the research program manager is assisting to such overlaps, and whatever relevant projects project managers are there, they taken into account under research programs. Now point number 3. While some projects take several years, no doubt, the typical project will not take very long to complete. But whereas programs often take a very long time to complete as they intend to deliver more, it's therefore common for programs to be organized into phases. Means the length of program is larger as compared to the research projects. A particularly long project may also be organized into multiple phases, but this is less common. Sometimes project may also long and it is organized into multiple phases also. Now point number 4, projects focus on achieving tangible outputs, that is what you gain upon completing the project. Means whatever achievements are there or whatever outcomes are there, they are specific and tangible in case of research projects. But whereas in research programs focus on outcomes which are often not tangible, not specific, not exact. The benefits provided by a program depend on the collective benefits of its projects. Means collective benefits are taken into account because different projects are there under research program, and collective benefits of these all projects will be there. They are not specific and will define our tangible form. Thank you.